All right, guys, here is Fubo. This is a volume profile breakdown happening right now. Yes, we could have a little bit of a push higher, but this is a weak earnings gap, which means the stock reacts negatively to the news. We have that gap lower, and we also have a volume profile breakdown here as well. Fubo is looking bearish. Barry, BA Barry. This one's looking bearish as well, right? We were all bullish in the beginning of February, and we traded this to the upside. You guys made money to the upside. But now we're looking at the downside in BA, and this is a volume profile breakdown. We lost the point of control. We lost the 50-day moving average, and we're in this really nice thin zone. Downside target 191 in BA. And Matt in Nashville, Tesla is dropping their investor day, and Tesla is looking bullish. We are above the point of control. We're testing it beautifully, looking to regain the 200-day moving average. 221 is the upside in Tesla. Mark Sebastian, you might see some flow in some of these names to the upside or the downside. What have you?
Give me a 220 upside in Tesla.
Yep.
The stock, the options are pretty expensive in Tesla. They're about 98% implied volatility. Pre-market stocks up about $5. You could take a relatively inexpensive shot on it making the highs that it touched last week. It did get up to about what, 219, something in that range.
Mm-hmm.
So let's look at like regular March options. They're a little cheaper, and we can buy like just real inexpensively, go for like the 215 to 225 call spread is going to cost you about $2, maybe $2.25. Pays out better than 4 to 1. You have about 3 weeks for the trade to work. And if you get a little pop, that's going to pay you, that's going to double pretty quick. But really, Boeing doesn't look that great, and Fubo at $2. What option are you going to buy? Right, you're going to buy the 1.5 put for this. You could buy the $1.5 put for this week for 3 cents. And
that's a lotto play.
If you think we can get to $1.50, that's a cheap little lotto play that'll pay you.
Hey, Mark, by the way, Asian Trader is saying instead of Tesla, what about TSLL? That's the Tesla bull shares.
Oh, interesting. That's only $12. Right? It's certainly a lot cheaper to play. You could buy that actually might work. You buy the March 13 calls for 80 cents.
Awesome. Asian Trader. See, this is why this is the best show ever. We have Asian Trader in the chat interacting, be like, hey guys, why don't you take a look at TSL? This is how trading should be. And now we got an even better option play here. Mark is looking at those March 13 calls, and they're going for 80 cents, and Asian Trader is giving us a big thumbs up. Thumbs up to you, my mans. Thanks for pointing that out to us.